Hi everyone, how are you all? My name is Sri. Today I would like to solve one codes for Python question, and the name of the question is remove all exclamation marks from the sentence but ensure a exclamation mark at the end of the string. That means we need to remove all exclamation marks from sentence but we need to put exclamation mark at the end of the string. We need to assume that non-empty string only will be given. See here, I am exclamation mark should be there. That means like this only need to be printed. Here three exclamation marks are need to be there, but it should be reduced to only one. By observing this, here there is no exclamation mark, but we should put the exclamation mark according to our problem statement. Okay, let's go to the output. Here I am taking the empty string. Let the empty string be output. After that, I am iterating the each elements in the string with in an indexing concept. That means by using range statement. For I in range 0 of to length of s. That means from first to last. Range statement prints from 0 to first to last minus 1. We are all know that, right? We are checking if the statement s of I means s of 0, s of 1, like that. If it is exclamatory mark, we should skip that iteration. That means we should not print in the output. If not the case, we should print to the output. That means we should concatenate to the output string. Okay, either it is there in the last end of the string exclamation mark or not, we don't want, so we are adding here after iteration. After we are returning the output, let's check. See, all test cases are passed, nothing is failed. Let's submit the code. All 1 test cases are passed. I hope you understand that by using range statement we are iterating here, so we are using indexing concept. If it is exclamatory mark, we are skipping the iteration. If it is not there, we are adding to the output variable. After that, we need to add exclamatory. It is compulsory at the end of the string, right? So we are adding and returning the